Welcome to the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign campus. The aerial footage you are watching was captured on May 31st, 2026, offering a bird's-eye view of the incredible progress being made on the Doris Kelley Christopher Illinois Extension Center. For over a century, the University of Illinois Extension has served as the outward-facing public outreach arm of the College of Agricultural, Consumer, and Environmental Sciences. They are a high-impact, geographically dispersed organization that brings knowledge and community-based solutions to every corner of the state. Yet, in its 100-plus-year history, Illinois Extension has never had a central facility to call home. Rising before us is a sleek, innovative, 39,500-square-foot facility that will change that forever, creating a collaborative hub for innovation and outreach. This bold vision is becoming a reality thanks to the extraordinary generosity of University of Illinois alumna and Pampered Chef founder Doris Kelley Christopher. In 2021, Christopher committed a transformational gift of $45 million to the future of Illinois Extension, an organization close to her heart from her own days as a 4-H member. Uniquely, her gift also includes a dedicated endowment for maintenance. As project leaders have noted, this ensures the facility will not just be built, but will be sustained and updated for generations to come, allowing Extension to focus its resources on its mission rather than day-to-day operational costs. Designed by Bailey Edward with construction management by Brower & Russo Builders, this state-of-the-art building is taking shape beautifully from the outside in. Once complete, the center will feature 3 signature jewel spaces: a media studio, a makerspace, and a discovery kitchen. These areas will allow Extension educators to provide hands-on learning, produce high-quality digital training materials, and engage audiences in entirely new ways. The facility will also house flexible classrooms for community education, technology-enabled meeting rooms for hybrid engagement, and collaborative workspaces for staff and university partners. Right outside, a teaching garden will seamlessly blend the facility's educational mission with the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. The Christopher Extension Center is pursuing both LEED Silver and WELL Building Standard Silver certifications. LEED certification focuses on the health of the planet. It means the building is designed to be highly eco-friendly, using less energy, conserving water, minimizing waste, and reducing its overall carbon footprint. The WELL Building Standard, on the other hand, focuses on the health of the people inside. It ensures the facility promotes human well-being through excellent indoor air quality, access to natural daylight, comfortable temperatures, and spaces that support both mental and physical health. Achieving just one of these is a major accomplishment. When finished, this will be only the second building on the entire campus to achieve both, proving that a space can be great for the environment and great for the people who use it. Site selection was carefully evaluated to minimize disruption to the landscape, reducing tree removal and preserving the natural environment. In a beautiful nod to environmental stewardship, wood from trees that had to be removed during site preparation is being repurposed directly within the building. With features like variable refrigerant flow HVAC, LED lighting, and passive solar design, the center will serve as a living example of sustainability in practice. We've come a long way since the official groundbreaking in the summer of 2025 and the symbolic beam signing event that October. Now, in the late spring of 2026, the structural reality of this flagship site is undeniable. Construction will continue over the coming months, with an anticipated completion date in the spring of 2027, followed by a grand opening celebration later that year. When the doors finally open, the Doris Kelley Christopher Illinois Extension Center will stand as a tangible gateway to the university, a launchpad for new ideas, pilot programs, and lifelong impact. Thank you for taking this flight with us as we build the future of Illinois Extension.